Hey guys, I just bought some slime from my friend's small business and we're going to be unboxing it together. Here's the packaging. I'm absolutely in love. So we're just going to open it up. Here's the slime, so cute. Okay, and the next thing is a cute little sticker. Like, look how cute that sticker is. Okay, next we got two little ducks. There's this like little pink coral one and then a white. And then I have this little charm because I have a bracelet business and she wants me to put this on a bracelet. Here's the slime. Let's unbox it. It's like a light purple and it's like a cloud surf, so it's like so soft. Can you guys hear that? Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!